What is Wawp Parameters? Wawp Parameters allow you to customize notification messages based on order data. Imagine that you can write one message with multiple names, like Hello Joseph, or Sarah, or Muhammad. Parameters feature relies on the default fields from the built-in WordPress and WooCommerce user account, and it works like this example. Hello Joseph. It was. Billing first name inside in double practice. You can get all the available parameters from Wawp settings page. Then click on the Help tab. Scroll to the bottom. You will find all the parameters you may need while writing the message, such as Order Data section, Ship to Different Address section, Billing Details section, your website info, and more. For example, this message is before sending using the parameters, and this is the final output that reaches the user's WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, share with us in the comments.